Alright, good day. This is Teacher Romy, and I'm going to teach you some techniques in solving plane analytic geometry using the calculator, and of course using complex numbers. Now, here, given the points 3, 5, -7, -1, and C, 8, 2. Okay, find the slopes of AB, AC, and BC, distances AB, AC, and BC, and find the area of ABC. Now let us have a sketch, okay, of the problem. Let's say this is my y and x. So my A is 3, 5. So let me just estimate this to be here. 3, 5, let's call it A. And -7, -1, maybe it's here. -7, -1, let's call that B. And then C is what? At 8, 2, probably it's here. 8, 2, that is C. So let us draw lines connecting all these points. So now we have a triangle. Now let us solve for the distances AB and AC. So this is now I'm going to show you shortcut. Punta ka sa menu 2. That's a complex mode. Model natin yung mga points 3 plus 5i. Okay, that will represent point A. Store mo siya sa A. And then -7 minus what? Minus I. Store mo siya sa B. And then A plus 2I. Store mo siya sa C. So ito yung mga representation natin ng points. This yung A is 3, 5. B is what? B is -7, -1, and C is what? And C is 8 and 2. To get the distance, this is simple lang Enter mo lang shift, okay, absolute value. And then to get the distance, enter mo lang A minus B, okay. This will represent the distance of what? AB. So the answer there is 2 square root of 34. If you want to get the distance of AC, C, okay, so that is just square root of what? Square root of 34. And to get the distance of BC, so just edit this, okay, that is what? So that is 3 square root of 26. Okay. To get the slopes, remember that yung equation mo is y minus y sub 1 is equal to m x minus x sub 1, representing a point slope form. So let's get the slope first. Now the formula for the slope is, punta ka lang sa tangent of option, hanapin mo yung argument of A minus B. Yung formula natin, this will represent the slope of AB. So that is 3 over 5. So the slope here is 3 over 5. Now, what about the slope of AC? Just edit that. Okay, that's what. So that is negative what? Negative 3 over 5. That is the slope. And then what about BC? Edit mo lang to. That's B. Okay. So that gives you 1 over 5. So the slope here is 1 over 5. Now, to get the area, okay, the area is, okay, the easiest way to do this is, okay, to go to determinant mode. Ang determinant natin, hanapin natin, is nasa matrix mode. It is number 4. Okay, now, okay, matrix A, let's have a 3 by 3 matrix there. 3 columns, and 3 rows. Now just input the coordinates 3, 5, just input 1 there, and then -7, okay, -1, just input 1 there, and then 8, 2, 1, just input 1 there, okay. Then okay, just get the determinant, enter 0.5, that is half of option. Hanapin mo yung, look for the determinant is number 2, then option, then 3, mat A, so that gives you the area. The area is equal to 30. Now, to get the, okay, now we have already distances, slopes, and area, no? Now, a simpler way to do this is using the stat mode. Hanapin mo yung 6 and then 2. Let us model the points now. So that is 3, 5, that's the first point, A, and then negative 7, negative 1. Okay, so now here we can determine the slope and the equation, no? So the slope is, okay, options, hanapin mo yung regression 2. Okay, this is the slope 3/5, that is for what? For AB. So this verifies the slope there, which is 3/5. And then to get the y-intercept, enter mo lang option, and then 3, okay, 2, 4 regression, hanapin mo yung, look for 1A, so that is 16/5. So the equation of what? Equation of AB is y is equal to 16/5 plus 3/5x. Now, equation of AC, okay, then let's verify the slope. Okay, let's edit the data option, go to number 4, data. Let's input for AC 3.5 and 8.2. Okay, let's verify what is the slope. Okay, the slope is what? Options, and then 4, and then 2. Okay, that is negative 3/5. That verifies that what? That slope. And then to get the y-intercept, okay, options, okay, 4, and then get 1A, that is 34/5. So y equals 34/5, and the slope is negative 1, 3/5x. And then to get the equation of what? Equation of BC. Alright, let's verify the slope again. Enter option, and then that's 4. Let's input the points. We're looking for what? We're looking for BC. Input the points negative 7 and 1, and negative 1, as well as, okay, 8 and 2. So option, get the slope. For the slope is 2, which is what? Which is 1/5. This is verified by the slope there. Then to get the what? To get the y-intercept, of course these are the equations. To get the y-intercept, get options, and then number 4, get 1A. So y is 2/5, and then the slope is of course what? Plus 1/5x. So this completes the solution of the problem.